In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export timesheets from QuickBooks Time for payroll or reporting. By the end, you'll have a clean file you can hand off to payroll or drop into your reporting workflow without any confusion. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Time account on your desktop. Using a desktop browser gives you the full reports menu and the most reliable export options. Make sure you have permission to view and export reports for your team or organization. Next, look at the left-hand side menu and click Reports. This is your hub for pulling time data in the format you need. Under the Tracking section, choose the report that best matches your goal. Job costing. By team member is great if you need to see labor broken down by job or project per person. Hours by date is perfect for a daily view across a range. Hours by team member summarizes totals per person, which many payroll teams prefer. Hours by group is helpful if you manage departments, crews, or any defined groups and want totals rolled up by those categories. Now set your report dates using the calendar fields. Choose the exact range you want, such as this pay period, last week, or a custom start and end date. Getting the dates right up front prevents extra cleanup later and ensures your totals match your payroll cycle or reporting window. If you need to narrow things down, apply filters. You can filter by customers to isolate time for a specific client, by groups to focus on a department or crew, or by team members if you only need certain people. Filters help reduce noise and make the export easier to analyze. When your dates and filters are set, click Run Report. Give it a moment to load. This preview lets you confirm totals, make sure the right people and jobs appear, and spot anything that looks off before exporting. To download, scroll to either the bottom or the top of the report and click Download CSV or Download XLSX, depending on what you prefer. CSV files are widely compatible and work in most payroll systems and spreadsheets. XLSX is ideal if you're using Excel and want a native spreadsheet format. Choose the one your payroll or reporting tool recommends. Finally, save the file to your computer. Pick a clear location and use a consistent file name, like including the pay period dates, so it's easy to find later and stays organized for audits or reruns. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.